Welcome everyone. Question on RS nomenclature. The RS nomenclature of this compound is. Choices are A. R1-bromo 1-deuteriopropane, B. S1-bromo 1-deuteriopropane, C. R1-bromo 2-deuteriopropane, D. S1-bromo 2-deuteriopropane. Answer is B. S1-bromo 1-deuteriopropane. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is the given compound. This is a carbon atom. 4 groups or atoms attached to this carbon atom are the ethyl group, bromine, hydrogen, and deuterium. The order of priority of these groups is: bromine is greater than ethyl, is greater than deuterium, is greater than hydrogen. Therefore, bromine is A, ethyl is B, deuterium is C, and hydrogen is D. Here group D is in the vertical line. Now we see A to B to C. It is anti-clockwise. So the configuration is S. This compound has 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, and 3. The bromine is present at position 1, so 1-bromo. The deuterium is present at position 1, so 1-deuterio. Since this compound has 3 carbon atoms, it is propane. Therefore, the RS nomenclature of this compound is S1-bromo 1-deuteriopropane. Thank you for watching this video.